Life and Beyond. We're in the car, well, obviously. And obviously by this title, you know that we are on the road trip. We've been planning this for a couple of weeks now. And we're finally on the road. We're on the Interstate 5 North. We are heading to the Sequoia National Park. That's where we're going. And we got to rent a car. We got a Jeep because there's a storm, as you may or may not know, in California right now, and it's snowing up in the Sierras. More specifically, it's snowing in Sequoia, so we had to get a rig. We're 4x4 ready, switching lanes.
The funny thing is, when we booked this trip, we thought, it was just going to be nice, beautiful, maybe some crisp fall weather.
Right.
But literally on the 2 or 3 nights that we're there, it's going to be snow and rain.
Only those nights. Only those nights,
and then it's clear. I mean, things happen for a reason. I think it's exciting. We're going to see more than likely, we're going to see the first snow.
Yeah, this is the first snow of the year. And, of this part of 2020. It snowed earlier in the year in 2020, but for this season, more specifically. And I think going where we're going with the sequoias, because they're all red, and this contrast to the snow in the sequoias will be very dramatic and very cool. So it's almost like an added bonus if you look at it like a glass half full situation. It's an added feature. We love the snow. Katie hasn't been in a ton of snow.
No, I've only seen my first snowfall last year when we went to Mammoth. If you want to check out that vlog,
that was fun.
It's there if you just search for Mammoth.
Yeah.
So a lot of people might not know what the redwoods are, or the sequoia. It's a Sequoia National Forest. They have a lot of historical sites within the Sequoia National Forest.
Yep.
They're giant redwood trees.
The biggest trees in the world. Yeah,
the biggest trees. So if you go to Disney's California Adventure, a lot of it is kind of like modeled after, the redwoods, and it's a big part of California. So, we're gonna try to show you some of that, and we are meeting a certain friend there that you'll see later in this vlog.
Yeah, who's gonna join us? So stand by for that.
It'll be fun, but we're gonna have a good time. We're excited. We got as always, with every trip we take, we start off with McDonald's. It's just what we do.
Yep.
And we're gonna head there now.
All right, we're in Los Feliz, Silver Lake. We are approaching Disney territory origins, and we are about to pass under. There it is, Hyperion Bridge.
Aww.
We're going to get to cross under that bridge at DCA in a matter of weeks. Right.
Yes. November 19th.
Yes.
So for those of you that don't know the significance, over at the Griffith Park, there's the...
there's 2 big reasons.
Yeah, it's actually a lot. There's just a lot of history in Los Feliz.
It's where the carousel was, where he would take his kids, which was one of the inspirations for Disneyland.
Right.
And Walt Disney's barn, which is the barn that he had at his Carrollwood estate for the Carrollwood Railroad, is there.
Right.
With a lot of other artifacts. That's all right here. And then obviously...
It's all right there.
He lived up in the neighborhood up there.
It's all really close. Yeah. And one of the first, the Walt Disney's uncle, where he lived in the garage, I think it was?
On Kingswell Avenue.
On Kingswell Avenue is over here too. So there's a lot in this.
Disney Brothers studio was right there.
You lived over here in Los Feliz for several years.
Right by the Hyperion studio, the original. Here's the Gene Autry Museum, another famous guy that has a lot of Orange County ties.
Yes, over by the Angel Stadium, there's Gene Autry Way, and a lot of California history you're getting here, folks.
Yeah, I always call this like one of the origin, it's kind of the origin of Disneyland, this area. This is where, it originally was going to be Mickey Mouse Park, right next to the studio over here.
Right. As we continue, and you can see the clouds. We keep getting we'll get these pockets of like, just all this rain, and then it'll clear up. And then, it'll clear up. did. I admit you got me good with that one. That was good. But I'll get you back. Just know that I was already looking at it. So you got me because you called it out.
Yeah.
So we'll let it count for this one.
Yeah, there goes a train. Look at that. Some nice graffiti on there. That's when you know you're out on the road, when you see the trains. I love that.
Looks like a bunch of toilet paper coming in.
Hopefully. All right, we stopped for gas in Visalia. Look at Dino Claus. I love Sinclair because it's the dinosaur mascot. But I've never seen Dino Claus before. Look at him. His beard is sweet. And this is the coolest part of the Sinclair stations is they have the little dinosaur over there. Kind of reminds me of Cabazon, a lot smaller. But I'm getting those Cabazon vibes, right? I like your Dino Claus beard. I wonder if they'll put that on him for the holidays. All right, we'll see you later, dude. And by the way, here's the rig. There it is. Bright red, fire engine red. That's all they had, but we'll take it. It'll look good in the snow, right? That's our 4x rig for the week. Trail rated 4x4. Pretty cool. Katie, do you like the rig?
I do.
All right, I just showed everybody.
I think we need to get one. There's wild game jerky sold here.
Is there? Well, that would make sense. Oh, there's the sign you saw. Wild game jerky sold here. 35 exotic flavors.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get some?
No.
Wild game, what is that? I mean, that's kind of
wild game is
it's a broad term.
Alligator, I think.
Boar.
Yeah, like
dinosaur.
Deer, I think.
Elk. And look at that, we're on Mineral King Avenue. If you know anything about Disney history, you know Mineral King is the area up in the Sequoias that Walt Disney was going to develop as a ski resort in 1965. That is awesome. We're probably going to at least stop by the road that goes into there. It's closed in the wintertime, you can't get in there, but it's a really interesting story that what they tried to do back in the day up there with like a really cool ski resort that environmentalists freaked out. They didn't want to have anything like that happen. But,
so it was going to be a Disney ski resort?
Yeah, but no cars were going to be allowed in there. You were going to have to take a cog railway in. It looked very Swiss Alpy, looked very Matterhorny, like a little village they were going to build and all that. But it is now part of the national park system, so it can never be touched, which I can see the good in that as well. It's, depends on how you look at it.
Right.
All right, it's getting super rural. I love it.
I like it too.
Look at this.
It's a really nice change of scenery, and I think that's the biggest thing that we used to get out of Disneyland. I mean, among many other things, but was the change of scenery, and now that's why the traveling is really helped. We would be doing it anyway, like you said.
Right. Are these orange trees, speaking of Disneyland?
Citrus.
Some sort of citrus.
There's citrus. I saw some that said lemon.
Some lemon trees, yeah.
Some that said orange. Oh, look, there's some moo cows and a horse.
What's up, guys?
Hey, there's some hay.
Oh, man, there was one bale of hay.
It counts.
Gosh. That's what it's come to. I revealed my secret game, and now it's just been exploited against me.
Yep.
Look at the ominous cloud layer. That thing is... It's kind of...
Do you think it's snowing up
in the high country? Yes.
Really?
I do believe.
So, where we're going, do you think there's snow?
No, because the elevation in Three Rivers is isn't...
Oh, not in Three Rivers, but Sequoia.
Oh, yeah, up where the big trees are, yeah. Right. Yeah. And the snow level is going to be dropping all weekend, so it's starting off pretty cold, I think 5,000 feet, and then it drops down to even lower, I think 3,500 by Sunday. Ooh, look at this place.
Has been your weather report.
Look at that old...
Wow, look at that. Richfield.
Old gas station right there.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I love the old buildings. Look at this. Lemon Cove.
They probably are lemon trees then. Maybe.
Yeah, so we're in a lemon grove then for sure.
But then some of them are really orange.
It's like the lemon house, but it's the orange house. Look.
Oh, Mesa. It's a ranch, and you can get oranges and all that stuff there. Okay, Three Rivers, Sequoia,
11 miles.
Kings Canyon Park. We're almost there. Going up. There's the view. I'm talking about you. Is that like a dam or something over there?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh. Whoa, look at that. That's a view. Wow. Oh, I'm already happy. If I stayed right here, I'd be good.
Yeah,
Oh, there's the lake.
But I don't know which lake that is. It might just be a...
Maybe that's the one.
It might just be a reservoir. I don't know.
Oh no, Lemon Hill Record. Yeah, that's it. That's what the sign said. Wow, look at this view. This is so cool. I'm really glad we got a Jeep like made for this type of terrain.
We have arrived, Three Rivers!
Yay!
Had to slow down to get that sign. I was
we did.
determined to make that happen.
I wasn't gonna miss that sign. Moo! Looks like there's a little town here. Alright, we are almost to our turnoff. Look at these beautiful trees already. Feels like fall. Wow.
We got kind of a cool little rental. All right, we're parked. I'm gonna just keep it a little isolated because we're renting the bottom of a house and I wanna be discreet. Oh, who's over there? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Good day to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been revealed, Pixar Charlie!
Hey, y'all.
There he is. There he is in his winter gear.
My winter gear. It's a little chilly up here.
I like the hat, dude.
Well, thank you.
Very appropriate.
This whole thing, I've had this forever. I just figured it was appropriate for this weekend.
Dude,
so.
you look like you belong up here. And look at, check out this little view we got.
Yeah, check out our view, man. I went down exploring down here earlier, man. There's some cool things down there.
I can hear the creek. You can actually see it right there.
There's like two little creeks that run into that pond.
Oh, that's awesome. Got some stairs that lead down right there. And in talking to the owners of the house, they said that the deer, they come around and they hang out.
Yeah, in the morning, she said they'll come out and have their breakfast out here. They'll eat.
They like to eat the grass.
Eat the grass
Yeah,
out here in the morning.
one of their preferred delicacies of the area.
And I believe 2 weeks ago, there was a bear that walked through here.
There you go.
And a bear's walking around.
And just now, dude, I don't know if you saw it, but a bear just did walk through here. Well, Katie Bear just walked through here.
Katie Bear walked through here. Mm-hmm.
And look, we have cool lights, as you can see.
Yep.
I'll show you that at night.
We've got some colors in the trees.
Yeah, it's starting. Look at that.
We don't see that down in Southern
we don't.
California. So
little fall color happening, and we're lucky we've dodged the weather for now.
Yeah, I mean, early this morning, I hit some rain coming up. It downpoured pretty good, but
yeah,
since I've been up here, it's been like this.
Oh, it's so quiet and peaceful.
Yeah.
There's no TV.
No TV.
This is so great.
So with no TV, it's like, see ya.
Yeah.
I'm out of here.
Exactly. All right, let's show you the place. Here's the place right here. Let's check it out. Oh, look at this. Cozy town. I like the old desk. Look at that. Little bookshelf over there. There's a bear in the house. Whoa, watch out. It's just Katie Bear. There she is. Then we got the couch, the cozy couch, a little table, kind of benchy table. I love this kind of old school artwork. Look at that. That's amazing.
And
cozy kitchenette.
Cool is she said we can have the water like straight from the tap, and it's like
It must come from a well. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, is that a Roadrunner right there? Meep, meep. We've each got our bedrooms. There's Pixar's room over here. And then this piece of art is very appropriate. And it looks just like the postcard that somebody sent us the other night for our unboxing, but that's where we're going. We are Sequoia or bust. It's about 45 degrees we're thinking out there right now.
Yeah, I have a sweatshirt.
Charlie's gonna check the interwebs, Charlie.
Yeah, let's see. They're always 100% right on.
Yeah, they know everything.
Three Rivers is 48 degrees right now.
Woo-wee! Another nice piece of art, the state of California that we reside in, and a globe. The world is yours. We're gonna go take a look around. We're gonna go look at the creek real quick, so like kind of acclimate with the area and see how rad it is here. I know it's rad. I just want to see it for my own eyes. Just down these steps, little railroad tie steps. This takes us to the creek. Oh, look at this little Candle spot? Like a candle in the wind, never knowing what to hold on till the rain sets in.
There you go.
I would have liked to have known you, but I was just a kid. Candle burns out long before the legend ever did. Look at this little hollow for this tree. Katie's climbing. Well, you got your boots on, so you're good.
Yep. So in the summer, I bet this is a great one.
Oh, look at this little pond.
Across, you can see 2 waterfalls.
I can hear them. Oh, this is great. The creek. And the watering hole.
It's actually not as cold as I thought it would be.
Really?
Oddly.
Wow.
It must have still has some like it must still have some heat in it maybe from like, yeah, it's actually like I would swim in that.
And there's the source. There's the creek coming down the little.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring our coffee and drink it down here.
That's a good coffee spot, yeah.
5 a.m.
And as I've said before, that I think that qualifies as a babbling brook.
I would say so.
At this point, you know.
Katie, claim that I would like ice cream.
Is it because you're standing on a rock?
Yes.
Okay. Charlie's climbing up over here. Yeah, let's go. King Charlie, there he is. Just the colors around here are amazing. Yeah, look at these fall yellows. Look at this.
Look, there's a wild Charlie out in the...
It's a Pixar.
Oh, look at the birds.
Oh.
It's like Bigfoot.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah, mid-stance,
sighting.
mid-stride. But Charlie was saying that this is probably riverbed in the springtime when the snow melts and it, you know, a lot more water is here. In this great little kind of meadowy zone over here. Easy killer.
How big this leaf is.
Katie-
It's like doing this.
Katie,
Rock on.
Katie Leafa instead of Katie Leisha. We are in nature. Pretty cool. It's just gonna get better. Creek Katie. You one of them creekers? All right, well that's gonna wrap it up for today for the travel day and the little tour of the area. We got to see the creek. We're acclimated. We're ready. Tomorrow though, we go deep. We
have an early start, so we're gonna run into town, grab a couple things from the store, and have dinner and literally have a very early night.
Yeah, because tomorrow we go see the biggest trees on the planet.
It's gonna happen.
Hit the ground running.
That's right. You ready, Charlie?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm ready for this.
So if you like this video, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.
That's right, and we will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Charlie?
See ya!
Bye-bye, everybody.